Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to create the default profile or application server profile, or you can also call it as a standalone profile. So CD2 installation location is app web IBM WebSphere app server. This is where I installed WebSphere application server product. So here are the list of directories that are created when the product was installed. CD2 bin. So to create the profile, to use the script called manageprofiles.sh. Okay, so let's see how we can create the profile using this manageprofile.sh. So let's take help. Okay, so run /manageprofile.sh -help and see what we can do with this manageprofile.sh. So here, using this manageprofile.sh, we can create the profile, delete the profile, delete all the profiles, you can back up the profile, restore the profile, get the name of a profile, get the path of a profile. So you can do a lot of other modes. So here we'll use the create mode. So let's run create and again take help. So if you are not sure, you can always use this -help option to see what options you can provide with this manage profile.sh script. So here the mandatory arguments to create the profile are like template path, profile name, profile path. So let's see what is that. Let's find out what is the template path. So see and go back to the previous directory, product directory, and cd to profile templates. So here are the default the template names for each profile. So default is the template name for application server profile, managed for custom profile, DMGR for deployment manager profile, cell is for cell profile, management is job manager profile or administrative agent profile, secure proxy is for secure proxy profile. So here to in this video I'm going to show you default profile, which is application server profile. So you have to provide this path. So let's go back to the bin directory and run manage profile.sh -create. So first option is template path. Okay, so template path is app web IBM WebSphere app server profile templates, then your template name, which is default. From here you can also take one more help. Okay, so basically this is going to give you the more information. So let's say if you want to provide some customization options like your own server name or cell name, node name kind of things, you can use that command. So let's see. So believe with this, let's do pipeless. Okay, so here the template path you can also provide like profile name, profile path, host name, node name, cell name, enable administrative security. You can provide the server name for the WebSphere application server, right? You can also provide the starting port of the application server, and finally you can provide the validate ports. So let's start. Okay, so here we provided the template path. Next option is profile name. So let's create apps service 01 -profile path. It is going to be the complete installation product directory, and then provide profiles / your profile name. Make sure you do this one. Okay, so after installation directory, provide profiles slash your profile name. So that is where your profile is going to create. Next, node name, which is going to be your host name. You can say node1 hyphen cell name, cell01 hyphen host name. So provide your host name as ap mac1, then hyphen server name. So I'm going to create the server name called appsrv1, kind of appsrv1, and then provide the starting port. So usually the default port number for the Vesper application server is 9060. We can give something like this, like 10,000 as a starting port, and then validate, provide the validate ports option. So these are the options we have to choose. The minimum options, I can say. So the minimum options are like you can provide just template path, profile name, profile path, but I recommend to provide this node name, cell name, host name, server name information if you want to customize your installation. So finally, make sure if you provide the starting port, make sure you also provide the validate ports option. So the option should be true. Okay, minus validate ports, true. So let's hit enter and see how it goes. So open another shell. So connect to this machine. So cd to the installation, product installation, and then cd to logs. So make sure you are in a product installation logs directory. So in this logs directory, so it will create the manage profiles directory, and here is your profile creation logs. You can run tail-f appsrv01 create.log to see the progress, how the profile is creating. So wait for the message intercon success. Okay, so here we see that the profile is successfully created now. And now let's run manage profile.sh hyphen list profiles and see if it is going to display the appsrv01. Here you go. You can see that the profile is now exist. So cd dot dot, and when you create the profile, basically it's gonna update one file here. So under the properties, so here is a file profile register.xml. So here it is registered, the profile name and the location of the profile. So next, go to the profiles, profile name directory, and here are the list of directories, so which are only specific to the profile appsrv01. cd to bin, and you can also run version info.sh from this profile bin directory. So here is the version 7.0.0.0, and then let's check the status of an application server. So here that appsrv1 app server is stopped. So let's start using start server.sh, server name, which is appsrv1. So here appsrv1 open for e-business. The process ID is 11841, so you can run ps-e grep for that process ID. So here is a process running on this machine. The server name is apps service 1. You can also run ps-e grep for Java, so you can see the same output. So now the application server profile is successfully created, and we can able to launch the application server. So that this is how we create the application server profile on Linux machine. So the version I am using here is WAS 7.0. So yep, that's all.